Let's go straight to the B part of that number 9. To solve 9b, R varies inversely as the cube of S. R varies inversely as the cube of S, that is S raised to power 3. R is 8, S is 4. Find S when R is this, okay? So the first thing we'll find is the equation of the relation. This is R equal to K over S raised to power 3. So we need to find K to form the equation of the relation. When we have done that, we can get S when R is this. So to do that, remember that R is 8. So I'll have 8 to be equal to K over my S is 4. 4 raised to power 3. All right, so we'll have 8 equal to 4 raised to power 3 will give me 64. So K is this. Then we'll multiply, cross multiply to get K. If I cross multiply, I'll have my K to be equal to 8 times 64. 512. Having gotten K, the equation of the relation becomes R equal to 512 over S raised to power 3. Even though we are not told to get it, but if you're asked to get the equation connecting S and R, when you have gotten your K, you do this. This is equation connecting S and R. All right. So to find S when R is 512, simply substitute our R as 512. So R is 512 over 216 equal to 512 over S raised to power 3. Then, since we have this numerator and this numerator to be the same, both of them can divide or cancel. We now have S power 3 equal to 216. At this point, take the cube root of this side and cube root of this side. So the cube root of 216 will give me S to be equal to 6. 6 is a number you multiply 3 times in order to get 216. So we've been able to get the value of X given R as this. Let's solve question number 9C.